Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Bean here. We are going to have a tote extravaganza. I went this summer and hunted down for a bunch of totes. I figured out what kind of totes that I like, and this is the first installment of the totes bags that I purchased this summer because I finally figured out what kind of totes were catching my eye. So if you want to see what tote bag is in here, then come on back. Yes, oh my gosh, I got this on eBay. I'm super excited. I was hunting and hunting this down, trying to get the best deal because they did have, there were several of these available, but people were wanting a lot of money, especially, did you get a peek? I'll be back. Especially since the Leopard came back to the outlet website, but they didn't have all the big items. Look at this, I got the tote. I missed this out. This is the Gallery Tote because, right? Yeah, it's the Gallery Tote because it has a zipper. Yes. I've been trying to figure out which bags that I like, the tote bags that I like from the outlet, and so I usually need a zipper, but I also like the city tote. So I thought I bought a city tote, but we'll find out. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's black on the inside. It's got the back zipper. It's got the 2 pockets here. She needs a little bit of cleaning. It's got some dust here and there. She's got the back pocket over here, the zipper pocket. Back here. But she's in fantastic shape. She was a good price. Like I said, there was several totes in this style available. She fits me. I was a little worried. Yeah, so she does fit. So she's a comfortable carry between losing weight, and I kind of, if I was going to get a tote, I wanted to make sure that it was definitely a shoulder carry for me, for my size. She doesn't have the any feet on the bottom, but she is does have this black. So this is leather, and the straps are leather, and then this is the coated canvas. Yeah, the coated canvas from Coach. Love her. I'm so excited. So I got myself a growing little Leopard collection. I added to her. So now I have, with this, I have 1, 2, 3 actual bags of Leopard plus some accessories. I'm excited. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thanks so much for coming by and visiting with me. I hope that you had a great summer. It is very hot today, so please forgive the AC running, but hopefully you can hear me well enough. Alrighty, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm trying to hit that 2K this summer, and come back if you want to see what other totes this crazy lady bought as far as totes that she shouldn't be wearing. Then come on back on the next video and you'll see some more totes. Alrighty, I got Junie totes too. Love y'all. Bye-bye.